in the course of human history, if we talk about the terms of population explosions, then we have three major population revolutions to discuss. The first one is the tool making revolution, then we have agricultural revolution, and then we have a scientific and industrial revolution. So through these three revolutions, we will see how this population exploded and how it actually went to a stabilized condition when the growth rate was to a minimum level. And after that we have this modern era, and we have a question mark because we really don't know what is going to happen. So let's understand this graph, which is population versus time. The first major population revolution, as I told you, was the tool making revolution. What happened? There was an initial increase in the growth rate. This shape graph shows an increase in the population, and after some time, if you see this wavy gap explains that after some time that growth rate was stabilized. Okay, so there was no major growth at this stage. After this, approximately 6,000 years ago, there was agricultural revolution. Now what happened in agricultural revolution? There was again, because of the availability of more food resources, there was an increase in this population. And when this population increased, after some time, maybe the food resources have been limited, due to which then there was again a gap when there was no population increase in this growth rate. Why so? Because there must have been the limitation of the resources, due to which the growth rate was negligible. So that is why over here we have this wavy gap. So approximately 6,000 years ago, when there was agricultural revolution, there was an instant increase in the population, as you can see from this graph, and this population after some time got stabilized, okay, when there was a minimum increase in the population. And next comes the scientific and industrial revolution. Now what happens in case of scientific and industrial revolution? You can see this tool making revolution was approximately 20,000 years ago. Then this agricultural revolution was around 6,000 years ago. This scientific and industrial revolution was approximately 300 years ago. Means we over here are talking about the 17th century. The 17th century. Alright, when this scientific and industrial revolution began, when there were advancements and when there was technological advancement, there was again a rapid increase in the population. But after this rapid increase in the population, we still have question marks. Why we do have question marks? Because we really don't know what is going to happen in the future. There are two possibilities. Either we can have this wavy gap over here also, means the population is going to get stabilized, or we can expect a further increase in this population growth rate. So there are two possibilities, but still we are not able to predict the future actually. But we have some data. As I told you earlier, that the population is doubling every 35 years. So after 35 years, the population is going to be doubled. So if this condition continues, we will have actually 50 billion people living in this world in 2100. Okay, so if that trend continues, means the population is going to get doubled after every 35 years, we'll be having 50 billion people in 2100. So as I told you, when we were discussing this data earlier, we have seen that the trend will be like this. By 2061, we'll be having 10 billion people. But this is just a trend that is predicted. Whatever is going to happen is still a question mark actually. So if this trend is there, we'll have an increase like this. Like 2011, 7 billion, 2024, 8 billion, 2039, 9 billion people, and 2061, 10 billion people will be inhabiting this earth. But as I also told you that the population is increasing at the rate of 2% per year, and it is doubling after every 35 years. So if we consider that data, this is going to convey that the population will be around 50 billion in 2100. So this graph is actually meant to convey you how actually population explosion took place over these years with these major population revolutions, that is tool making revolution, agricultural revolution, and the third one, that is scientific and industrial revolution. So as we have more resources, that is in terms of food resources, because technological advancements have been there, more health facilities, the death rate is actually declining, due to which population is increasing. But what is going to happen next? Is the population going to be stabilized? Means we will not have a further increase in population, it will be at a constant rate. Or the population is going to have a big hike, more rapid increase, a big major population explosion. This is still a question that needs to be answered.